So I'll carefully cut through the middle. I think the other side I can pull out no problem. Then I have to drill it out. It's not a big job really, I've just got to carefully cut down the middle, pull one end out, drill out the other one, probably stick a cylinder phrase in there or something, get it nice and neat, and then get a new rivet for it. So that's what I'm doing next. So I've cut out that middle section. Sure enough, one pulled out easy, one is soldered in. I've cut it off, not right up to the hinge I've put on, just a little bit sticking out. I am now gonna use a ball phrase to put a dip in the end right in the middle. Can you hear how that sounds? It's different to what I usually have. It's because I'm using this new oil I've discovered. It's not even for jewellery. But I'm using this on my drill and it literally feels smoother. It sounds smoother. You need less of it. Drills stay sharper longer. It's brilliant stuff. Had to drill it, ball phrased it. I think there's a slice that wants to come out. There it is. Whoop. Hey. Alright, okay. It wasn't too bad. I was probably spent 10 minutes doing that.